Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial today I'm going to show you how to recreate this pretty pink look. Before I start the look, I'm going to start by putting in my contacts. They are TTDI Queen Gray. I love these contacts. They're very natural looking and they come with this nifty little applicator so you can put it in your eye. I'm going to begin by prepping my face with Murad's T-Zone Pore Refining Serum. I really like using this stuff as a primer because it really helps minimize my pores, and I do have oily skin, so it helps keep that at bay as well. I'm going to pat the product into my skin, that way I avoid any excess tugging. I want a little bit of that glow from within kind of look, so I'm going to be using Covergirl's Vitalist Glow Lotion. This stuff is very lightweight and moisturizing, and it has vitamins E, B3, and B5, and it gives your skin a naturally hydrated look.
Yo!
For my foundation, I'm using Wet n Wild's Photo Focus. It is a matte foundation with medium to full coverage, and it's also fairly inexpensive. I'm going to go ahead and blend that into my skin with the damp beauty blender.
Yeah.
For my concealer, I'm using Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Concealer. This concealer is vitamin infused and it helps brighten your complexion. It offers light to medium coverage. Set my face with Covergirl Vitalist Healthy Glow setting powder. This setting powder is very lightweight and also is very hydrating, so it's not going to dry you out. I'm going to begin my eyebrows. I'm going to be using Jeffree Star's Queen Supreme Velour Liquid Lipstick as my base. I'm going to begin by filling in my eyebrows like I normally would. Then I'll begin shading them in using the JUVIA'S Zulu palette. I'm going to put the hot pink shade in the center of my brow. Then I'm going to add the purple shade towards my tail and make sure the colors transition into each other nicely. I'm cleaning up around my brow with the concealer shade from earlier. Before I begin my eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and prep my eye with Too Faced Shadow Insurance Eye Primer. I'm going to pat the product on my lid to avoid any unnecessary tugging. For my eyeshadow, I'll be using the JUVIA'S Festival palette. Absolutely love this palette. It's one of my favorites. The colors are so smooth and buttery, minimal fallout, and they're very pigmented. I'm going to begin by placing the light peach shade in my crease and blending it up to my brow. I would say the name, but I really have no idea how to pronounce it, so... Next, I'll be applying the hot pink shade in my crease and my outer V, making sure both colors transition well into each other. For my lid color, I'm going to be using Aina's Le Peach Diamond Glow Powder. I'm going to lightly pack it onto the inner third of my lid and then blend out the rest with my finger. Using NYX Cosmetics Matte Black Eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and do my wing. I'm going to bring my wing slightly downwards so that way it gives my eyes a little bit of a droopy effect. And I'm going to go ahead and smoke out my lower lash line with the previous pink and purple from earlier. I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes with more of Le Peach. Now adding a small inner wing. For my blush, I'm using the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 2. These blushes are very, very nice. They're very high impact, so a little bit goes a long way. This palette is from JUVIA'S as well. I'm going to apply the blush along my cheekbones, under my eye, and across the bridge of my nose. A little bit of nose contour. For my highlighter, I'm using Aeva Beauty's Pink Persuasion. This highlighter is multi-dimensional and has a pink, purple, bluish afterglow. And what's really cool about this highlighter is that it looks different on every skin complexion. The next highlighter I'm going to use is from the same brand, but in the shade Venus. This one is a lavender shade with an iridescent blue reflect, and I'm going to use it to highlight under my brows and along the bridge of my nose and also my upper lip. I'm going to apply House of Lashes Iconic Lashes to give myself a little bit of a more dramatic look. For my lips, I'll be using CoverGirl Queen's Major Shade Matte Lipstick in Insider and Wedding Crasher. I'm going to start off with Wedding Crasher and applying it to either side of my lips, leaving the center open. Then I'm going to apply the shade Insider in the center. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend out the edges to give it a nice ombre effect. 1 second, I'll be right back. Cool, so I've gone ahead and put on my hair and now this look is completely done. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you liked it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you're not already, make sure to follow me on Instagram at @OMally. I love you, Mally Cats. Until next time.